Good morning, everyone. I swear by this concoction, this green stuff. Fuck. Okay, now it's literal. I really swear by this. What's in it? Dark leafy greens, ginger root, celery root, or just celery, and Granny Smith apples. Organic. Has to be organic. And then you just drink this stuff every day. I have a masticating juicer. You can also do it with a centrifugal juicer. They're a bit more common and not quite as expensive typically. I have one of these every day. No sugar in it. Don't juice carrots or beets. Eat those whole. They're excellent, very healthy for you, but there's a lot of sugar in them too. So you want those whole, but these ingredients, these four. If you're a guy, you can have organic boners again, like you did when you were a kid. If you're a woman, you probably want your guy to have organic wood, right? And just be as ridiculous as you want to be with it, as long as you're healthy and happy. Mwah. Orgasmicpathways.com. To organic wood and health, healing, and happiness. I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna play my guitar. It's calling me. Bye. Mwah.